Welcome to Math GPT. In today's video, we'll be discussing a question in materials science. Is steel magnetic? To understand this question, we need to explore the composition of steel. Steel is primarily composed of iron, and iron is magnetic. This is because iron has unpaired electrons in its atomic structure. When these unpaired electrons align, they create a magnetic field. Atoms of carbon, which are very small, can fit into the gaps of iron's crystalline structure. But let's look at why iron is magnetic. Iron's intrinsic magnetic properties are due to its electron configuration. The unpaired electrons create localized magnetic moments. These moments cluster together in regions called magnetic domains, where the magnetic moments are aligned. When exposed to an external magnetic field, domains can grow or diminish, leading to permanent magnetization in some cases. This is why iron as part of steel can contribute to its magnetism. However, not all steel is magnetic. The presence of other elements like chromium can change the microstructure of steel and affect its magnetic properties. Stainless steel, for example, contains a high percentage of chromium and has a different crystalline structure, which is not magnetic. So, while many common steels are magnetic due to their iron content, some specialized steels are not. It really depends on the specific composition of the